Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about securely set attributes, and in previous video we showed how to securely set data in between HTML tags, and in this video we are going to see securely set attribute for any HTML tag. So if you are new to this video, I would suggest to watch this videos in this playlist called WordPress data security and come back again on here. Otherwise keep looking into this. So for that, first let me show you what I have done so far. So I have created a custom plugin. All my previous videos, whatever I demonstrate, I do it using my custom plugin. So let me show you the custom plugin. So this is my custom plugin, and in this plugin I have created a custom meta box, and in that meta box I have added several fields. So that's that. So today we are going to see the attribute, securely set the attribute using this fields only. So let me open files for my local repo. So this is my local repo. I will open WP content plugins. My plugin includes admin.php. So if you don't know how to add a custom meta box, then I will provide the link into the description section. I have already created that video uh, in the WordPress tutorial playlist. So let me show you quickly how we added this custom meta box. So let me show you. Sorry guys. Okay, sorry, this is not the correct file. It is in the custom action filters. Yes. So here is the function to add meta box. I have added that into the post and book. Post type book is already created, so it is available for these two post types. And this is the callback. Whatever we add in this function will display over here. So all the boxes we added in this function only. And this is the save data function. I will provide this custom plugins link into the description section so that you can refer this code if you want. Otherwise, that's fine. So here we see that the input tag, it is type text, name, value. So these are all attributes of this tag: type, name, and value. So this type is text, it is static, name is also static, but the value is dynamic. It is coming from the database, and currently we just echoed value whatever we get it from the database, which is dangerous. We should not do that. Assume if someone make some script uh, and we just echo that script, so that might hack your site. So in that case, how do we secure attributes? So for that, we have to use this function called ESCATTR, which is escaping the attributes, which will encode this less than greater than ampersand double quote and single quote. So it's just simple. We have, instead of direct echoing, we should do this ESCATTR. Similarly, we will do this for everything. And now let's see what happens. It won't affect anything. It will just it is just a secure way to add and print attributes. This is applicable for any attribute. For example, if you have any let's say label, and if you have any id attribute which you are taking from database, so you could do something like this: echo es c attr $id. So any attribute which you are taking dynamically or something from the database, it should be escape through this function. So this is the simple way to secure your attributes. And if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.